guys and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is using the new Bperfect Carnival XL Pro Palette, which is by Stacey Marie MUA on Instagram. I've got the original, absolutely loved it, so I needed to buy this. There are 30 matte shades. Let me see what it says on the blurb. It doesn't tell me. Oh yeah, 30 matte shades, 10 high pigment shimmers and 3 highlights. I actually do like the highlights better in this. I've not used it today. I totally forgot when I did my full face to then go try the highlighters, but I'll do that next time. But I did put this pale one on my inner corner and it was really, really nice. So, yeah, this is the palette. She's absolutely stunning. Stacey did a great job. The colours that I used were like the tealy shades and they worked beautifully. The shimmers are alright. I find that you have to use finger to make it better, so it's one of those, but I'm never really bothered about that anyway because I normally use pigments, to be honest. But yeah, I find if you use your finger you get more of a pigmentation with that, but I used a brush till the last minute type thing. Anyway, this is the look that I created. If you do want to see how I did this, then please keep on watching. So I'm going to take Make Waves and I'm going to put that on my outer V area here. I'm just going to plonk it. Ooh, that colour's beautiful. I'm just going to plonk it down first. And I'm going to use the shape of the brush because it's rounded to give me my shape. That is a beautiful shade. So pigmented. I'm slowly going to tickle the edges just to blend them out. I'm going to go in with the light blue underneath it, which is called Sea Spot. Soft Spot? Sea Spot. Where did I get that from? Back in with a bit of Make Waves. I'm just gonna merge those two together. It's only a dash, and then I'm just gonna tickle the brush. I'm then gonna go in with this tealy shade called Showboat. And by the way, the brushes that I'm using are the Kit Stars N30 brush and the My Kit Co My Precise Crease brush so far. So I'm just going to plonk that down on my inner corner. Again, I'm going to be using the brush to shape it into a rounded smoky eye. And I don't mind what's on my lid because I'm going to cut my lid anyway. And then use that brush just to tickle the edges. I mean, you can see that they blend so well together. I'm then going to go in with this pale mint shade, which is called Why Though. This is a Stellar's mini crease fluff, and that's just going to buff out that teal shade. And then with a Spectrum A12, I'm going to go in with this dark green teal shade. This is going to be like my crease shade, so you're not going to see as much of it when I cut the lid, but this is going to be my deepener. And then I'm going to go back in with the teal and the blue just to buff out the edge. Right, so I'm going to cut the lid, just dab it on there, raise my eye, and then it tells me where I need to do the cut. I'm just going to use the Spectrum brush, just to buff out this edge. I'm then going to go in with 2 foils. So I'm going to go in with this shade Valentine, which is like a red, is a red foil, and I'm going to go in with Fortune with this is which is this yellow gold. Oh, that brush is shit. And I just get a little bit of both colour and just wiggle them in the middle just so it blends in nicely. So I love that. I'm actually going to go in with a bit of the matte red, which is this shade here called Inferno, and I'm going to buff out that outer edge with that into the blue. Just here. So it's just a little dab on my brush and then just tap away. Just to blend it out. And then a bit of that dark teal called Nuke. So I'll blend those two together. I like that. Right, so I'm going to go in with the NYX Slide On Glide On in Glitzy Gold. And I'm actually going to set some of that gold foil on top of it. And a bit of the red foil. Right, I'm going in with Make Waves, which was that first shade we used, and I buff it. I'm going to buff it on the outer third. I'm then going to go in with Showboat, which was that teal shade, turquoise shade, and I'm going to put that on the front and sort of mix them in the middle. Right, then taking my Salazi brush, I'm going to go in with Y though, which is that mint shade. And I'm just going to buff out this. And then I'm going to go in with Soft Spot on this side. And just buff it along. Now Soft Spot is a really nice colour, but it's not as pigmented as the other one, so you do have to like really build it up. It is a softer blue, but the blue that's in the original palette is more pigmented. It is a different version of that because it's more of a muted blue, but you do have to build it up a bit more. Not that that's an issue, but just to let you know as an FYI. Right, taking a flat brush by Molly O'Brien, this is the 09 brush. I'm going to go in with that Nuke shade, which was that dark teal, and I'm just going to run that right on my lash line, just to add a bit of depth. And then, no additional product, just buff that in. And don't worry that it's like that a bit fall down here, because I'm actually going to take most of this off before I do my foundation, so it will all look neat. Right, so I'm going to go do the other eye and finish the rest of my face, and then I will come back to show you the final look when I've got lashes and everything on. So guys, that's the finished look. What do you think? Absolutely love this palette so far. Well, the few shades that I've used anyway. I'm really sorry that I didn't use the highlighter on my face. I just totally forgot when I was doing my face, but I did use this one on MUA Carnival, as I told you at the beginning, which was really, really nice. As you can see, it just looks pretty. So I am going to carry on playing with this. I'm going to make sure that I use like the newer shades, because I know there's 9 that are from the original palette. One thing that I am gutted about is they've put Pink Me in it, and I never liked that in the original palette, but whatever. I'm really loving this this Orchid shade, and I really want to use this cargo shade here because I just think it looks really nice. I'm in love, if I turn it around because it's so big, this shade and this shade. These are the ones that I've used on my eyes today and I think they're beautiful. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this video. So far, do give it a thumbs up, but I wasn't actually expecting not to because I do love the original palette. So if you haven't got the original, I'd say just buy this one, or buy both if you want to. Like I say, there is 9 shades from the original in this one, so there are some shades that are in the original and not in this one, vice versa, blah blah. So anyway, if you have enjoyed this, please do give me a thumbs up. Let me know down below what you think, and don't forget to hit subscribe and the notification bell just so you can make sure that you see videos when I upload. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye guys!